I'm Dr. Lara Johnson from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy, continuing our little bit of a tutorial and tips on the TheraCane use. In this video, I'm going to talk about arms and legs and being able to use the TheraCane as a massager. We're moving rather than just holding areas. So if you sit down, you'll be able to relax your legs a bit more. And here, one thing I recommend is using these nubs in the middle. You can just apply pressure straight down in this relaxed position of your legs. For your lower legs, you can come into the anterior tibialis or front side. You can do this on the floor or sitting. And you can also use it on the back side in this way. My recommendation here is to spend 3 minutes at a time. So finding a position that allows you to be comfortable. The other great thing you can do is use the TheraCane as a massager. So you can do both outsides of both legs. The amount that you kind of press out against it, you can have these positions on either side of your legs. You can use this flat part in the middle on the top part to use it as a roller, or on the front or underneath on your calf. So you can loosen up tissue this way. This may be one of those short-term reliefs or releases for your body. And remember, I'm always a fan of getting to the root cause. If you're still having a lot of issues, be sure to keep that in mind. For your arms, some ways you can use this. You could be kind of sitting, place it this way. Here's where you get to be a little creative. You can come around and place this on your forearm. You can use some of these nubs in here in various ways too, to get into your arms if you have tension in your arm. And another way you can use this as a massager is moving it. Even though I'm more of a fan of myofascial release where we're getting deeper, it can just feel really good to stimulate different areas in your body, your upper back, around, your low back, and just playing around a little bit. Tight areas in your legs, again, the front, the side. Maybe you have a friend help, or you position this in a way where you can get some relief in your forearm. Sometimes the weight of this is plenty in order to have just a nice stimulation of the surface tissue, and that's totally fine. So have fun, play around with the TheraCane. There's so many great ways you can use it, and I hope that was helpful. Reach out if you have any comments or questions. I'm Dr. Lara, and I'll see you next time.